Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in my mobile home finally, and I finally recovered from the move, and I thought I'd show you some of it. Now, I was able to clear out the living room and dining room area, so I'm going to show you that today. This is the living room area. Very nice and spacious. And this is the kitchen. It's a simple, nice island, and got a refrigerator, glass top stove, and your sink, your dishwasher, and little pantry. So what I've been doing in the time that I haven't seen you guys is filling out paperwork for warranty, because you got to get that warranty information in within a certain time or you won't be covered. So I had to fill out the information for the refrigerator, the stove, the dishwasher, and the HVAC system. I haven't showed you guys the view of the deck from this side. It's pretty cool. Oh, my cat again, that's Chloe. You can see her on miss.chloe.cat on TikTok. Yeah, she has her own page. But yeah, let me open this up, and hopefully she won't run out here. This is the deck from this side. This is the view that I get every day. It's just amazing. So yeah, as I clear out the space in this house, I will show you all. I have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry room, and like a den type thing that I use for an office. And I really love it. I have been trying to use everything in here so that if anything doesn't work, I can have them come fix it soon. And yeah, I did have an issue. I'm going to get a video about that and show y'all what didn't work properly, what I had to do to have them come out, and you know, whether or not they took care of it. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you another part of the house, because to the right would be 2 bedrooms and the guest bathroom, and to the left is the master bedroom and the laundry room and the office. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.